So it's been a while since I used a smart cube. I used to have what they call a Go Cube, this one. And this was an original on a Kickstarter before it was even produced. One thing I didn't know is if you let the battery drain, it actually breaks the battery, and you should always keep it charged. They do claim that they will fix it for $20. You send it over, pay for shipping, and that would be way cheaper than the new cube, which is around, I believe, 70. But I just didn't go through that process. But I saw on Amazon the smart Rubik's Cube was on sale, where a customer could only buy for one. And I think it was 60% off, and got it as like a Christmas deal. And I decided to buy one. So I now have a smart cube. How this works is you have an app. That's too bright. Let's here, whoops. Here's the app. It detects my cube. I select it, and then you could do a number of things. And let's say I start recording this on the phone as well. And I start doing one of the competitions. So I haven't been doing this for some time, but let's go ahead and do some of these. I'll go ahead and go against someone. And you could see I had the orientation should be green is in front of me and white is on top. And I'll go ahead and play the beginner's match. And what's it gonna do is it's gonna find a match for me as I wait. Okay, let's wait for that opponent. Please do not rotate the cube. And I do the scramble, so I have to do the scramble. And so the Go Cube and the Rubik's Smart Cube is both powered by the Go Cube technology. And if you don't scramble fast enough, you get disqualified for the contest. So waiting for opponent, and I have some time to kind of understand what my next moves will be. And when the timer starts, I should go. And let's wait for 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, let's do this. And then I'm pretty slow with my cross, and I'm not doing the C-pop method, the Friedrich or whatever you call it. I'm still doing traditional layer by layer solve. I still have to practice my CFOP method. So I can't get sub 1 time. I only get it rarely. Most of my time is a minute and something is what I get. Done with my second layer. Corners, top layer corners. I just messed it up. No, I didn't. And then I have to do my top layer, top face. And then my top layer corners. And then sides. Boom. And the app says I win. Does he want a rematch? I got it in 1 minute and 28. Accept rematch. So he does want a rematch. So let's go ahead and go for that rematch. F. What is this? Back. Back F R U D B L2 B2 U L2 B2 R2 2D prime. F2 D prime. Okay, there. Waiting for opponent. Then I have to analyze what I'm gonna do with the cube. Try to get 7, 5. Go. Okay. Get my cross down. Get my corners down. Get my there. Here. Last corner. Let me get my sides. Top. Corners. Sides. A minute, 2 seconds. I win again. So maybe I should start doing intermediate, medium, and let's see. Maybe I'll tip this down so I could see it a little bit more. L2, B, U2, F, D prime, B, U2, D2, B2, R prime, U, F2, D, D, F2, U prime, R2, D, L2, F2. Then waiting for opponent. Where's the other one? There. Okay, 1. One 7. See if he want. Oh, he left. Last one. Let's try hard. Since this is hard, then of course, the people joining here would be more professional, and probably they'll finish faster than me, and I'll lose. Let's see. Back, front, R2 down, U left down, back, front, D2 R2 UL2 E2, U prime, E2, L2. Okay. Let me start studying the cube. 13. Orange looks nice. Orange looks nice to start with. Okay. Go. Totally lost it from there. Let's do that, do this, do that. Align with the blue, yellow, white, green. Okay, there. Yellow. And then next one, green, white. And the next one, orange, white. Here. And then green side. I don't have it. Oh, this one. Here. Second side. Third side. And I have it. Top face. What? Last minute. There. 1 minute 19. Opponent left. So won my pro match for hard, and I don't have expert yet, but I have to be solving less than 30 seconds, which I don't have down yet. So haven't been playing this for some time, but looks like I still have it. And looking at the stats, where's the stats? Over here, way down. And of course, Max Park is on top, of course. And in the world, I'm not even in the top 1,000. That's it.